What's up you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below, turn on your post notifications, that way you get notified every single time we upload a new video. My name's Lena and this is Life as Lena Mac. What's up guys? What's up you guys, and welcome back to another video. With that being said, what's up to my newest subscribers? Shout out to all you guys. So you guys highly requested this get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed this look. Just a quick get ready with me obby. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's jump straight into the video. What's up you guys? So I'm going to jump into a voiceover for this get ready with me. The first product that I'm going to be using is the Purlisse Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. I highly recommend this product. I've been using it for quite some time now. The next product I'm going to be using is the Air Spun Loose Face Powder. It's in the color Translucent. And the brush I'm going to be using is the Farrah 50F. The next product that I picked up is going to be the Tarte Stay Spray Setting Spray. I just got this in my Ipsy box and I actually like it. I'm going to be using my Morphe palette to fatten my face. The next product I'm going to use is the Maybelline Master Primer in Blur. The foundation that I'm going to be using today is Bye Bye Foundation in the color Medium. I love this foundation. It is SPF 50 and I love that for here in Arizona. The beauty blender that I'm using is a Real Technique sponge. Of course, gotta go in for a little bit more. Coverage is everything. Don't forget to drag it down. Looking good. The palette I'll be using today is my Morphe Making Bank 18B. This is one of the Cassie MUA palettes. The brush I'll be using is also Morphe and is the E22. The two shades I'm going to be using is Check Please and Cash or Card. I'm going to start by building the color in my crease using circular motions. And then I'm going to go ahead and drag it down to my lid as well as into my brow. We're not even going to talk about them because it's quarantine. And magic. I'm going to be using my Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the shade Cream Ivory as my concealer, as well as my Pure Beauty Blender to blend them out. I'm going to use the same Beauty Blender and my same translucent powder to bake. And brows. If you guys want a detailed tutorial on my brows, let me know in the comment section below. The brow pencil I did use is Billion Dollar Brows, and it is a universal brow pencil. I'm going to be using my Luxie 514 blush brush to blend out my powder. My contour stick is Wet n Wild. And my brush is Luxie 530 Top Kabuki brush. Then I'm going to be using the same Farrah brush as well as the same translucent powder to go ahead and fine tune everything. Next, I'm going in with my Gigi Gorge The Only Blush Tool in Authentic and Pride, as well as another Luxie 514 blush brush. The lip I'll be using is Lord & Berry and the number 3035 in the shade Nude. I'm going to start by lining the lower bottom of my lip. And then I'm going to overline just a little bit on my top. And my gloss I'll be using today is my Hemp's Lips Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm. Then I'm going to go in with the same palette and a Morphe M213 brush, and I'm going to be using the shade Dollar Dollar, and I'm going to give myself a wing eyeliner. Magic! I normally don't wear falsies, so I'm going to be using the El Maquillage, I believe that's how you say it, sorry, as my mascara for today. Boom. To set, I'm going to be using the same setting spray by Tarte. And of course I'm going to fan with my palette again. Next I'm going to go in with my Morphe highlighter in Extra, as well as a Wet n Wild highlighter brush. I do like to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow, as well as under my brows. And then I like to, highlight my tear ducts, you can say. And the brush I'll be using is a Eye Fluff 282. And to set my makeup all, I'm going to be using my Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder in Buff 30, as well as the same ferret brush. And we're done. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And honestly, I am major feeling myself. So I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below and let me know. With that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.